Yeah, water sources drying up issue is related to the climate change impact. Because of the climate change, it is being happen everywhere. Very recently, 18th and 19th of February, go and ask in the villages. Wherever the villages are not getting water, it's because of the sources drying up. So we are taking all the measures, definitely, but it will take some time. Outcome, I have pointed out there in my speech. I was there to give a speech, and then my commissioner secretary also gave a presentation. I talked about spring rejuvenation because only if we rejuvenate the spring sources, then only the rivers, the flow of the water in the rivers will be there. So they have already taken note of that. In the takeaways during the valedictory program, I was told that the takeaway of our proposal was this spring rejuvenation was taken up.